Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell so you get notified once a new video comes up. Guys, this helps my channel a lot. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a very quick, easy but absolutely delicious curry sauce. You would love it. Let's get right into it, shall we? So for this recipe, you'll be needing green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, carrots. You can actually use any type of vegetables that you want. I like cutting them this way because it's really very pleasing to the eye. I love when the food is calling me, it's saying come and eat me. So that's the way I love cutting it. So you just finely chop it, and you can actually prep this a day before so that it can be faster when you're ready to cook. For the carrot, you properly wash it and scrape all the dirt off. Then you chop it finely just like this. To a pot of little oil, you add the onions and keep frying until it becomes translucent. Then you add your already chopped carrot inside, and the reason why we're adding the carrot first is because of course we all know that carrot is hard, so you want it to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes before adding the other veggies. So guys, here we have green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper and carrots. So this is the way I usually dice it, and I just stir frying it a little in the pot. So this batch now will last us maybe twice. Let's see. So now we'll add a couple of ginger, like this quantity. So next thing we add the seasoning cubes and salt. So we'll allow it to steam a little before we add the chicken stock. This white thing inside is salt that I just added. I'm adding the seasoning cube, but you know that there's already seasoning cubes and salt inside the chicken stock, so you wouldn't want to add so much so that when you add it, it will become too salty. So you just stir a little. So while this is steaming on the fire, I'll just quickly make the corn flour slurry down. Then get light soy sauce ready. For the corn flour slurry, I use 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also use flour. Honestly, it does the same thing. If you don't have corn flour, you can use flour. And what this does is just to make the sauce thick so that it can be really nice and doesn't start running when you eat it with your spaghetti or with your rice. So you keep adding water to the mixture until it is really very smooth. If it is not smooth and you use it, it becomes lumpy. So back to the veggies on the fire, I'm adding the chicken stock. So chicken stock, chicken broth, the same thing. This is just the liquid that comes out from already boiled chicken. So just adding it and stirring the sauce together just to see if the consistency is okay or I need to add more broth. I ended up adding more broth or stock, chicken stock to it. So this recipe is not only limited to chicken and the chicken stock. You can also use turkey if that's what you have, and also use the stock. It will equally come out really nice. So yeah, I'm adding the chicken that is already boiled inside the pot so that everything can just marinate together. Before you guys ask me what's going on at the other burner, guys, I'm boiling rice. Yes, I'm boiling rice that I would use to eat this delicious sauce when it is ready. So that's what I'm doing over there. So here I'm just trying to stir the sauce gently and to make sure everything just marinates nicely inside. So this is the brand of light soy sauce that I use. I just added a tablespoon of light soy sauce inside. Then next I added the corn flour slurry inside and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes, and yeah, the meal is ready. So guys, just look at this meal, just take a look, you know. I'm about serving myself, guys. Just look at how yummy this looks. And not only does it look yummy, it tasted really, really delicious. So if you're looking for lunch ideas or dinner ideas for your family, make sure you try this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. So see you in my next video. Bye.